Right now we're out on a BLM logging road somewhere looking for waterfalls. I want to talk about, it's not a piece of gear, it's not training, it's a mindset shift. It's a mindset shift on using what you have, using what's in your area. The one thing I hear a ton is, man, I'd love to become a photographer or a videographer, but I don't live in a cool place. I don't live in a place where I can get cool content. And the reality is, you're gonna see today, we're gonna see some waterfalls, some cool stuff. I'm out in this beautiful PNW vibes place right now, and I've been in this city, in this town, which is very small, my entire life, 30 years, and my whole life I thought I had nothing to shoot, nothing to film, nothing to capture. And the reality is, that's just because I'm used to my area, I'm used to where I live. And the same goes for you. You're probably used to where you live. So today I want to show you the beautiful PNW and give some ideas and tricks on how you can maximize where you live. Here's the plan. We're gonna send up the Mavic Air. Max is gonna sprint along this bridge.
Every single time, that's right.
That sucks.
Classic
okay.
problem.
It's gonna take about 10
Boo.
minutes for that to come back down.
Yeah.
Boo. Gotta update.
It's taken a little while.
Something to consider is that what you're used to might be really special for someone else. You know, I live in the Northwest. I'm used to trees, I'm used to rivers. But if I go somewhere like New York City, man, that place is so cool. It's new, it's fresh. So I'm taking pictures everywhere I look. You know, and people who live in New York might not feel that way about their city, where they take photos every single day, but when they come out here to the Northwest, they do. The fact that your surroundings you might be used to, but other people are gonna think it's super interesting. So you can start shooting and getting cool content wherever it is that you live. Well, we made it. First waterfall, Susan Creek. Woo! Actually, it's like the second waterfall, because technically there was like a little one at the other bridge, but this one's way cooler. And he reached out for it, not me. He was like, hey bro, give me a high five, and then psyched me hard. Nothing like getting shafted by a little kid. But I want to talk about something else that's kind of important, which is using what makes you special and what makes you unique and different. I know it's easy to get caught up in seeing all the people on Instagram and on YouTube that travel the world and do all this crazy stuff. And if you want to do that, that's amazing and you can make that happen, but don't let it stop you from starting. So start wherever you're at with what you have. Use whatever camera you have. When I first started, I shot my YouTube videos for an old channel, I don't want to talk about it, on an iPad. I just want to encourage you guys to not let it stop you thinking that you don't have the gear or don't have the locations to shoot. You do, you just have to get creative. And then from that point on, you build something special so that you can go out and do the things you want to do. And travel the world and see all the new things and do that. But you have to start where you are. That's the best way to go. Alright guys, so I'm here at the last waterfall. I want to challenge everybody. If you feel like you live in a place that's boring, that's out in the middle of nowhere, that's secluded, that's a busy city, whatever it is you live in, I want you to take that place and make it the coolest place it could possibly be. Because I've lived 30 minutes from this place my entire life, and this is the first time I've ever been down here, which is embarrassing. But it's because when you're close to it and you're too close to it, you don't see its value. And so just know, this is a place people travel all over the world to come see, and I've had it in my backyard my entire life, and I've never come. So don't do what I did. I encourage you guys, go out, make something cool with the camera you have in the city you live in, and share it with me if you don't mind. I'd love to see it. Just tag me on Instagram, Daniel Jeremiah. Hit me up on YouTube. You can just comment below, tell me where to go watch it, or you can email it to me. I don't care. Daniel@danieljeremiah.com. All right, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.